welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Xpeng, ticker XPEV. We trading here on the New York Stock Exchange, and I want to give you now here an update based on the chart. We have here a very interesting setup here. I think there is a potential breakout coming. You can see already here in the first chart preview that we have a lot of open gaps to the upside. A lot of stocks already ripped to the upside. On Friday we had here a market pullback, but nothing special in my opinion. And Xpeng also was here minus 4.7%. Yeah, we check now here the price levels. Everything what I say is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Okay guys, when we dive in, we can see that Xpeng here now successfully closed all the previous down gaps, and we have just two more open down gaps waiting here in the daily chart at $11.50 and $9.83. Why do I say that? Because usually the algos start to close all these open gaps, so the chance that we come back down here to $9.83 is about 90%. However, we can see that here since already October 2022, something like a potential bottom is in Xpeng was not below $6.18 anymore, and we can see that we're building here something like a very strong bottom, and that could mean that we see here a bullish reversal incoming and that we will start to close all these open gaps here in the future. So let's enable now here the drawings and let's see what happened, because a lot of stocks, Tesla or everything else what I also cover here on my channel, we see here new all-time highs after new all-time highs, but Xpeng didn't break out yet. But when we have a closer look here at this trend channel pattern which I identified here, then we can see that we had already here back in 2023 several attempts to break this trend channel pattern here, and now we again very close here to break out, if not even already broke out of it. So this is what I think we need to see before Xpeng here starts to see a bullish reversal. Of course, it is possible that these open gaps stay open for many years. This is possible, but for me personally, what I want to see is here a final shakeout, because the bottom, in my opinion, is already confirmed. So we see that the make it or break it price level here to the downside, or where the bullish algos are snapping in, is $7.66. This is where the algos are waiting. I want to switch for a second here to the 4 hours chart. Yes guys, and in the 4 hours chart, this is the problem. The only thing what is not bullish right now is that we have more open down gaps waiting here in the $7 range, guys. $7.30 and $7.08. So that means when you have open gaps here in the 4 hours chart, that at least in the extended hours, means in the pre or after market, you have to close these two open gaps. All the other gaps, as I mentioned before, are waiting here in the daily chart, guys. So the best case scenario would be for me as a trader, you know, when I want to build up your long positions, the best scenario would be that we have here already several attempts to break out. You can see we had the same situation here by the end of 2023. We are very close to breakout. $18.60 is the strongest bearish resistance we have for Xpeng, which means when Xpeng conquers this price line here and can close here over this price level with volume and with support, then we can see here much higher prices incoming for Xpeng, guys. I said in the beginning that the market is super bullish right now. It's not only Xpeng. I cover so many stocks here on my channel, and I always release here on Sunday my personal finest selection on short squeeze stocks, guys. I call them the hot stocks. You can see here some of the member reviews, guys. So it is possible to make here a lot of profits in the market. And when I release those videos here on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. I release those videos every Sunday, and I can just give you an overview what happened after my latest video. So of course the actual video is out right now. In my latest video, you can see that we had here squeezes between 107 and 480% in one day, guys. These here are daily charts or 4 hour charts, and these candles are the price actions of just one day. I also have swing trade alerts on Patreon where I post screenshots also for very high squeezable tickers, and you can see we had also here 250% squeeze, 169% squeeze, and so on. Long story short, guys, if you want to see those hidden short squeeze stocks, you can of course join our trading community here. We are very fast growing, and the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits which you get when you join in, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, then you get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, let's now check Xpeng, I don't know how to pronounce that. And I think, guys, we are very close here to break out. I think, yeah, when I just see here the technicals, my credo is, guys, I have a credo which says no drama, no squeeze. Yeah, we can see that we have here a very strong algo support even on the RSI. So when we draw a line here, you can see how Xpeng found support here since we had this shakeout here in February 2024. The RSI is building higher lows, yeah, which is good. But in my opinion, if you want to see a short squeeze, a big squeeze, you need drama, drama, drama. It was the same situation here back in 2022. We had here an absolute oversold RSI, absolute horror, absolute panic, and then we started to rip higher. And the same situation here in February 2024. You can see here the drama begin. They draw the price even more down. Everybody think, oh, this goes to zero. Yeah, we are lost. And then you can see Xpeng recovered from that here with a squeeze from more than 120%. Yeah, this is what the market makers do. That's why I say that looks bullish. Yeah, we have some momentum here, but honestly, I want to see here this final shakeout. You can see that here, guys. I want to just compare that really quick for you, that you understand how the market makers work. They want to get the lowest possible price before they cover their positions or settle their shares, settle their fail to deliver. So you can see we had here massive gap downs here, gap down, the price tanked down here just in a couple of days. Here, minus 20% in just a couple of days, minus 90%. And then after we hit the very strong support level here of $7.66, we had here again a very strong squeeze reaction. Yeah, and this is what the market makers do. And the pattern here for me, guys, looks very bullish. Yeah, we have here a resistance at $14.20. I mentioned that already here in my previous videos, that for now Xpeng or Xpeng is bouncing here between $11.55 and $14.20. So keep that in mind. $14.20 is one of the resistance levels. The next much bigger and stronger resistance is $18.60. If the price comes down back here in the $7 range, then we have here a massive squeeze and breakout potential. This is the bull case, guys. Yeah, in my opinion, the perfect scenario, the dream world, that we come back down here one more time in this green box, which is here until $6.20, that we come back one more time and we really confirm here the very strong support. I think we already have something here like a triple bottom pattern. That's why we don't need to confirm that again. But when we remind that we still have the open down gaps here waiting, guys, then usually those gaps should get filled in the future. As I said, that can take even years if the market stays bullish, guys, and keeps to stay bullish here in January and February. Then of course Xpeng can already break out here to the upside. And as I said, as soon as we break $18.60, we have here much higher price goals to the upside, and even a big short squeeze is possible here for this ticker. Yeah, guys, that was my quick and dirty update here. If you want to copy my price levels from the chart, this is here everything based on TradingView, what you see. Yeah, if you want to learn trading, or even if you think about to become a trader by yourself, an independent trader, then you need a very good chart program, a very good tool, which helps you to spot the algos and where the market makers waiting with their positions and orders. That's why I recommend TradingView, guys. Yeah, if you want to copy here the chart, and if you don't have TradingView yet, you can of course use here my discount link. You will save $15 discount here, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. If you click here the info icon in the corner, you also get access to the TradingView discount link. So guys, that was my update on Xpeng. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.